Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Chrissy Jane Villanueva Alcawili. I am 27 years old, married. I have a daughter. I live in Saranay, Aurora, Isabela. I have one brother. I am the eldest in the family. And I graduated college. I took Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience here in Philippines, sir, as a nanny of a baby boy and as a helper of a couple. And I do all the household chores just like cleaning, laundrying, cooking, ironing, and buying groceries. And my main duties is taking care of the baby.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing the safety of the baby. When the baby is sick, I check the temperature. And if the baby is sick, I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, responsible, and honest, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, sir, because I want to earn and provide for my family, especially to my daughter's future, and also to be financially stable, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My husband and my in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and remind myself that I need this job, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I am willing to extend if needed, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir. But I am willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile, give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish, see you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur, take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. And I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.
Okay.